Hello there and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install applications on Google TV without the Play Store. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Now, in this video, I'm going to be using the options of developer options or developer mode because we're going to need to install an application from a source that is unknown. So go to System, go to About, under Settings, and head over to Build Number. Click on this 7 times to enable developer mode. When developer mode is on, alright, now you can leave this application because you can leave the settings app because you have been able to allow apps to be installed which are unknown and install apps from unknown sources. From there, you're going to head over to your browser application and any browser will work. You can use your Google browser. I'm using the browser app, so just use the application that's going to work for you. So use any browser that would be convenient, and you're going to just choose an application. I'm going to use the VLC app as an example. So you're going to type in the app and then behind it you type APK download. So just like that, and then you're going to search. So go ahead and search for the application and then look at the links that pop up. You're going to navigate these links and I'm choosing the one from Malavida and I'm going to click on the download the link to the site. So this will redirect me to the site and I have a download button popping up at the center of this site. So I'm just going to go to that and click on it to redirect me to the download link. So I'm giving it a second and I see it downloading right there. I'm leaving it to load up for a couple of seconds. And when it's downloading, I'm going to click on download. And this should prompt my browser to take over the download. And right there, we've taken over the download. And the download is currently running. You can see the top of the screen is at 1% now and climbing. So give that a second, and when it's done downloading, we're going to install the app, and that will show you how to install applications on Google TV without the Play Store. Now the application has completed. Just come to it, click on it, and then click on just once. The app is going to stage, and now you can install the app. So if you find a message here that says allow unknown sources or anything like that, just click on that app. On the app, for example, you're using the Chrome browser, just go toggle on the Chrome browser and that will enable you to install from an unknown app or install an unknown app or install from an unknown source. So when that's clicked, you can find the install button right here where app update and get the app in your TV. From there, you can just launch the application and enjoy. So that's how installing applications on Google TV without the Play Store. If you found that insightful, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video content just like this.